So I have the vintage end table from Sto'sense. Now in this video, I'm just going to go over some of my favorite features of this end table. So the first thing that I love is this wood finish look that it has all the way around. It's going to have a little bit of detail on the side here, curved drawers at the front. This is going to be all wood here, and up top you're going to have stone on the top, which I think is really cool. I demo a bunch of different ones, kind of similar to this, but this is the first one that has that stone accent at the top. So one, I think it looks really good. It's also going to be great for cleaning off if you would, spill anything on there and use it as a cup holder. Now, the second thing that I love is going to be these gold handles that are all accent down here. So they make it really easy to open up your drawer. Up top is personally where I like to keep all of my remotes. And then your bottom drawers here are going to be a little bit deeper. So this could handle, books you put in here. Even like if you'd use this in your bedroom as like a dresser, you could easily get your socks, underwear in these drawers and have kind of more room in your normal dresser. Now, the third thing that I love about this end table is actually on the back side. So you have a full charging station. You have two full outlets here, a USB port and a USB-C port. Right now, I got a lamp plugged in, charging my phone, and that's just so convenient to have because obviously you're going to have stuff be plugged in next to your couch or your bed or wherever you're putting this. So just having a full charging station already built into this piece of furniture has been very convenient. So overall, I'm super happy with this piece of furniture. You could use it in your bedroom like I'm showing you now, or in your living room like I showed you before. So I love the stone on the top. I think that makes it really unique. Also, the drawers are nice and deep too. So like I said, this could be some awesome extra storage for you if maybe you don't have enough room in your normal dresser or whatever you want to put in there. So overall, I'm super happy with this. The assembly process was maybe 5 minutes. All you do is screw something on the bottom, put the handles on, and you're good to go. So very happy customer. Give it 2 thumbs up.